life in the Philippines. We're going to go for a little walk and maybe take a jeepney up to Angeles and do some street shopping for some food and some other things. And I got a couple of my friends here, Umberto. So come with us and we'll take a little walk. Traffic is intense here today. Alright, so we're gonna go and get some food, huh? Alright. Yeah, that includes having to take a jeepney ride, right? So. Yeah. Yeah. Intense traffic here. It becomes like this around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It goes crazy here. Are we crossing the street?
Yeah, we usually cross over here.
All right.
As soon as we can. Here we go.
What did you say?
That jeepney wasn't going to stop.
Oh, no.
Once it got going, it got going.
Well, you got to watch out for the jeepneys.
Oh, yeah.
They'll do a killing. That's the entrance into the home site, Dau's home site, one of the entrances. Huh? Yeah. All right, I had to do a quick stop and go to the ATM to get some money out. That could be a little trick once in a while. All right, so we'll catching up with them here again. All right, let's go.
Let's go to City Mall.
City Mall.
By the way, this is my girlfriend Hazel, everybody.
Yeah. All right, so we were talking about a long time ago. We were talking about doing a video with Umberto in quest for a Filipino wife, right? So here comes the first episode, I guess. Episode number one. Right. Right. Well, you guys have known each other for a long time, right? Yeah. All right, that's good. Yeah. You know, every time I walk through a mall or a market, I get stuck on the music. Google snaps it, right? So it's copyright violation. Putting that on your video. Yeah. Yeah. So a lot of times I have to bring the sound down. You mix it with your own music, so you have two things going on. Yeah, I don't know. All right. So this is what is it? Grocery store?
Yeah.
I've never.
This is where we do most of our shopping.
I never gone in here, never once.
There's parking lot underneath. You can park underneath.
Yeah, no, I've done that, and I've been to the second floor, but there is a Save-A-Lot or something upstairs, right? So. All right, a quick walk through the city mall here. I guess we're gonna try to get a jeepney, right? All right, so here's the bus station, by the way, in here, where all the buses come in and out. Going down this way, right? Yeah, so here we got a peanut vendor. Yeah, I bought a lot of tools here in these places before. They have a lot of tools and other things here. I bought quite a bit of it before. And then Larry wanted the tools down in Bohol, so I shipped them all down there. And then he ended up going back to the U.S. and the tools are stuck down there. That would have been nice to have. But yeah, well, it was mostly his tools. But he, because he started building some boats.
I see.
And it was like, yeah, he built, you know, 3, I think, fishing boats.
Really?
Yeah, and then he built a family pontoon boat down there.
Yeah.
It was really nice. I think it could seat like 20 people or something. Yeah. And then he got ahead and did. He did something else. He built a speedboat. Yeah.
Is that for living?
No. Yeah. Yeah, that was just a hobby, you know. He thought it was fun. Surplus, yeah. Clothes. Yeah, it's pretty big in here.
Where we're headed, downtown Angeles, sort of the same kind of a thing.
Right. Yeah.
The food market's interesting. I mean,
Yeah, I never been there. Here they got 3 501s. But they're probably, well, they had 31, 32 there. That's kind of my size. All right, so now we're gonna yeah, that jeepney takes you all the way up there, right?
we may have to take 2 on that shore.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, here you got Sogo Hotel.
So clean, so good.
So clean, so good. I don't know about the clean.
I don't know about the good. That sounds tasty.
Are they good?
I don't know.
I never tried.
It's a drive up hotel all the time.
Yeah. It's always busy around 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
It is almost 5, right?
Yes. 5 already.
We don't have much more daylight.
Could be enough.
What is it?
Angeles?
All right. Angeles. All right, so we're catching a. He does. Okay.
So we have to take one. You mind walking a few minutes?
No, we can walk.
We can walk to the park and then get a gypsy that goes from there on.
Sure. We'll walk down to the. You mean the? What do you call the park?
Yeah, where the new park where they.
Oh, okay.
That's
Yeah.
where we usually do anyway.
Yeah. All right. I see what you're saying. Yeah, it's not very far.